Have you ever felt like you were failing as a parent? Your child screams, throws a tantrum in the middle of the supermarket, and no matter what you do, nothing works. You feel helpless. But what if I told you those moments might hold a secret? In the next 8 minutes, you'll discover a story that will not only move you, but change how you see your child forever. And yes, it has a beautiful ending. Emma is 4. She used to be calm, cheerful, full of imagination. But lately, everything is a battle. Getting dressed, brushing teeth, saying goodbye at preschool. She screams, she hits, she melts down for reasons her parents can't understand. Laura and Matt try everything. Stern voices, timeouts, even rewards. Nothing works. At night, they lie in bed, wondering, are we doing something wrong? Why is she like this? Why won't she just behave? What if Emma isn't misbehaving, but rather she's overwhelmed? You see, a child's brain is still under construction. The prefrontal cortex, the part that controls reasoning, impulse, logic, isn't fully wired until the mid-20s. So when Emma gets overwhelmed, her emotional brain, the amygdala, takes over. And in that moment, she's not being difficult. She's in survival mode. Her body is yelling, danger, even when there is none. And here's the twist. What she needs most isn't discipline, it's connection. A regulated adult to help co-regulate her storming brain. Someone to say, I'm here, you're safe. One night, Emma runs to her mom after a fight with a friend. No screaming, no tantrum. Just this, Mom, I feel sad. Can you hold me? And in that quiet, tearful moment, Laura realizes, this is it. This is what they were fighting for. Emma doesn't just behave differently. She feels safer. And when children feel safe, they grow emotionally, neurologically, deeply. One evening, as the rain whispered against the window, Emma sat on the floor, drawing. Her parents watched from the sofa, silent, present, resisting the urge to correct, control, or direct. Then something small, miraculous happened. Emma stood up, walked over, and handed them her drawing. It was them holding her, smiling. No words were spoken. But in that image, Emma said everything. That night, they didn't read parenting books or search for strategies. They simply lay next to her, breathing together. For the first time, Emma fell asleep without resistance. Connection had replaced control. Presence had replaced panic. And love had done what logic could not. Every tantrum tells a story. Behind every meltdown is a child asking, "Will you still love me when I fall apart?" If this story touched you, share it. Because when we understand what children really need, we stop trying to control them and start raising them with compassion, science, and heart. Please subscribe and help me grow the channel.